I will be moving all the fittings from the old cabinet to the new cabinet now, and the old cabinet will just go. This is my old cabinet. This one is the new one, and Sport 211 Air. Motherboard setup is done in the new cabinet now. Very important and critical part, the fitting is not that easy. Motherboard is ready, coolers are ready. Now moving towards some wires, setting up some wires here, as there are lots and lots of wires, so need to do some cable management, very important again. So the CPU is almost ready, you can see here. I just need to fit my tempered glass here, that's all, and we'll be doing some testing now. Time to set up the windows. Finally my setup is done.
Cheers.